Good morning. Reflection. Present B, William Dueñas Pinzón and Javier Andrés García Ayala. Next. According to the analysis present in the document, we can cite that an under-referenced event is one that cannot be prevented or reset. What occurred was an inaccurate Smith of the Rigsby company and a defective instruction and supervision employability activity. As for psychology prejudices, the skin of the mind has been admitted into labor, civil, and administrative jurisprudence where it mentioned in sentences 30, 60, 21 on January 22, 2008. From this expression of the plaintiff, the court understands that compensation is required for the allegations of their normal life and routine activities. Next. When questioned about the problem of the accumulation of compensations derived from a declaration of civil or state responsibility, why the Venezuelan BTRL is not simply acts about a practical questions, but allows about the way in which they should be understood and ponder some of the most important principles of the legal system, of the general theory of obligation, and especially of civil liability. Next.
Okay, that's why, according to the results of the case of Mr. Loaiza, regardless of the type of right that is analyzed, the life and integrity of people will always prevail, and no expense and investment can be spared to maintain preventions in matters of security and health at work. That it expenses for compensations and or penalties. Many industries have two misconceptions that they can reduce costs by minimizing supervisions and training programs, without realizing the serious consequences and cost overruns of they could have to let alone. It should also be clear that the law would not always act well in terms of responsibility to pay for any damage, since the law evaluates the effects of the norms and not its impartiality. It's imperative to immerse the economic approach in law as a method of compensations and reparations for damage. However, the conclusions reached to evaluate that the results of the economic analysis are good and fair compared to the applicability of the said separations. Thanks.